Nowhere. I've got one bar and it's streaming pretty well. It's very dynamic. You can choose your upload and download speeds, and it's pretty simple to use.
Well, lately I've been spending a lot of money on USB and FireWire hard drive enclosures. The problem is the quality just isn't that great. The power bricks on them wear out pretty fast, and they cook the drives. The drives get really hot in them. I started looking at NAS boxes, but I kind of still want the drive portable so I can pick it up, take it to a friend's house, or whatever, plug it into another computer, and not have this big-ass bulky box to carry around. So today I'm going to attempt on camera, I can't make any promises, to make a about a six bay USB drive enclosure. I'm basically going to make it out of this metal toolbox. You can find them at yard sales for like $1 or $2, or go to the hardware store. I think this one was about $10, whatever. We're going to power it off a regular PC power supply. Let's see. I'm going to put 6 drives in. I'm not sure exactly how I'm going to mount them yet. I got this piece of metal from the hardware store that I can make rails to attach in it and mount it, which would give it a good amount of airflow and make it fairly easy to install the drives. Or I got these drive bays that I managed to salvage out of old computers, which would actually make the drives easier to take out, put back in, but would restrict the airflow and wouldn't look as nice in the box. So I'm not sure which method I'm going with yet. We'll see, whatever works. But if you decide to build one, you can go with either method. I didn't bring the hard drives with me, but you know what a fucking hard drive looks like. I'm going to power it off of just a regular baby ATX power supply. No big deal. You could pull one of these out of a junk computer anywhere. To connect the drives, I got these. I'll put a link in the show notes where I got them from. I got these for about, I think, $8 a piece. It's USB 2.0 to either serial ATA. It does 2.5-inch hard drive. The other side's 3.5-inch hard drive. It comes with these power bricks, so if you want, you can use these. But I'm using the power supply because it's one wire I have to hook up, and it's a much cleaner, better source of power. But if you're salvaging, it comes with this little adapter, so you can go from a parallel ATA hard drive to a serial ATA power adapter. Now, if you get this adapter kit and you decide to go with the computer power supply like I am, just pull this off, and you're probably using an old salvage power supply that doesn't have serial ATA plugs. So just put it on your power supply. Try not to break it, and now you do. What else do I have? I got these red LED fans, like $3 each. I got these fan grills just because they look cool. It's a skull and crossbones. You really don't need them, but if you want to put an extra finishing touch on them, they look kind of neat. USB hub. I only got a 4-port one here because the one that I'm ordering for this project hasn't come yet. But I'm going to put a 7-port hub in here. And what else did I forget? Oh, I'm thinking about possibly putting a Linksys W-USB 54G USB Wi-Fi adapter on. So I got here somewhere